Did you know a dying wheel bearing sounds like a monster living in your car? Listen closely. That grinding, growling noise getting louder around turns, that's your bearing screaming for help. As it falls apart, metal grinds against metal, creating terrifying sounds that echo through your cabin. But the real horror isn't the noise. It's what comes next. Your wheel starts wobbling, the bearing gets weaker, and if you ignore these warning signs much longer, your wheel could completely separate from your car while driving.